Back. Excuse me. I am so sorry. That was so gross. I'm trying to think if I should put anything else in here. Anyway, this is one of my kind of like a blender, but not a blender. I made a belt for the white jersey dress, and what ended up happening was this right here is, if I'm not mistaken, I did not use this because the belt ended up being too thick, which is what I wanted. And again, I'm still learning. So I ended up not using this. I kept the belt though. The pattern for the belt, it's hanging up. But I ended up using the same belt pattern that I had used for the red dress. That's what this is, and that's why this is sped up. It was 22 minutes long. It's now 4 minutes long. I was wondering what to say when it was 22 minutes because it's just me making this pattern. But I had a epiphany via my sister. She showed me a video of this guy doing kind of like the same thing. But what happened to me was, or what my thinking was, I only have so much of the white jersey and the red jersey, but I have, so I can't keep doing the same thing over and over again because I only have so much of the fabric and funds are tight. So what I'm going to do, instead of focusing on making, I'm sticking to one thing, but instead of just using jersey, because I don't have the money to buy new jersey, what I'm going to do is the pattern. And I have a bunch of different patterns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep making the same dress instead of making different kinds of other garments and other styles. I'm going to keep making the same style. I'm just going to make it in different different fabric, as opposed to making. The video that she showed me was this guy, and he was focusing on jeans, and that's all he did was jeans. And I think it was all men's jeans, nothing but men's jeans, tops and bottoms. That's it. I don't have any more jersey, but I have a ton of different fabrics. So I'm going to keep making the dress. I'm just going to make the dress in different fabrics, if you will. So that's going to be my plan to get myself going, because I really don't have the ends to go out and buy a bunch of jerseys. So that's what you're going to be seeing now. I'm going to make a bunch of dresses. They're just going to be in different fabrics, instead of me making because in some of the last videos I said I wanted to make a top and bottom set, and I was going to use this, and I wanted to do that, and I was all over the place. I'm not focusing on one thing. I'm focusing on 9 different things, and that's slowing me down. So I'm going to focus on one thing. Those dresses, they're just going to be in different fabrics, if you will. So that's what you should expect, is a bunch of dresses, and probably in the same style, to be perfectly honest. The bodycon dresses with the pockets on them. I may add more accents, but I'm not going to go off on a tangent and start making a bunch of different stuff. That's out. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. May the universe bless you. My hair looks awful. So I'm stamping my that's my process. I'm getting more focused here. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video.